We've got a lead coming. Back now. Square. Lead. Come. Pitch. Who's got the back?
Okay, make sure we're square at 3:30.
Yes, come on.
What I want to see is you stay square through the hips and the chest. Just open the knees, sink the chest into the weight.
Like squat, exactly right. Exactly like squatting. Exactly what it is.
Nice, Papa.
Go again. On the set. Probably on the set. Yeah, it's on the set. So when you have it down, jam him in, it comes up when it's there.
Start with 2-on-2 only in the trench race, and that's a genuine 2-on-2. So if you can beat them, beat them.
I think we need to be more urgent, eh? We need to get urgent before desperate. Myself included, we're way too out and we're not nominating where we are. If you can see a lost piggy running around, pull him into shape or just tell him to get it out of the way. What dog and me? I too many times do this walking into position, and then when it's too late, miss the jump, for there. Just got to work harder earlier.
Let's wind up. Let's just go breath on Robbo.
Here, everyone in.
Let's just come
Everyone in. 3, 2, 1, in. Out.
6 sets, 90 seconds on, 45 seconds off. Double work the rest. You look at that? 90 seconds on, 45 off. Ready to go. Stay in it, stay in it.
First forward ever in the game to hit a 50-22, and it didn't get any like publicity, like not even like, oh, decent kick from the tight end prop at the back of the line out. You know what I mean?
No,
like
no,
that's done by anyone else. Be put everywhere. Rugby.com needs to switch on.
Pressure can become under fatigue. We got into extreme fatigues in that last game there. Some of our skills, some of our focus, some of our dedication to what we're trying to do and staying tight and accurate dropped off a little bit. On the positives though, I love the work rate, love the competitiveness, and it was a good little set there. Good way to finish our week 4 of field work. 3, 2.
That's a wrap.